This is another great piece from Amoretu, and let me just tell you all about it. So, it's called the striped plaid on there, even though it's kind of not plaid, it's kind of more like, I don't know, like Picasso. I want to call this the Picasso. I'd like to thank Amoretu for sending this to me to review. I really do appreciate it. Now, I'm a medium. I ordered a medium. However, if you're a little larger up top, it's not very forgiving up here. So it's kind of feeling a little tight. So you might want to go a size up if you're a little bigger up top. The sleeves are super cute because you've got the sleeve that kind of comes down, then it puffs out here. This style is so cute. You've got this little puff at the bottom of it, or you could roll them up too. So you could roll the sleeves up, have them like kind of like hang like that, and then give a little puff out right there. It lays really nicely, and you can wash this and it will not shrink. The material feels really light, great for a summer dress. And again, you could wear this casually, you could dress it up, you could make it fancy, either way. I love my flip flops, so I'm just styling it with flip flops and some earrings and a necklace. But you could style it with some high heels. You could throw some spandex underneath there and make it cute like that. So there's all kinds of, you could do boots in the wintertime with this one would be really cute. Boots and leggings, adorable. So yeah, again, you've got a lot of different like colors you can choose from, and with the stripes. And like I said, this isn't very forgiving up here, so I kind of have to pull it down. So if you are larger, go with a little bit larger size. So once again, thank you so much, Amoretu. I love this. It's super cute. It does not have pockets, by the way. No pockets. That's the only thing that would make this dress like primo is pockets. So, but lays very cute, very adorable. Thank you.